So in this video, I will tell you about a tool where you can convert your raw audio into a professional audio. So let's begin. Here I was talking about Adobe Podcast, where you can convert your normal voice into a professional voice by cleaning the voice and by enhancing the voice. So in this video, I will teach you how you can do that. Here I have opened the website. You can see all about this website here. Here in the bottom you can see their premium plan. I will tell you about this plan in the end, how you can buy their subscription and all that. So watch till end. So here if we talk about how you can enhance your voice, for that you can see here our example.
The window open and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
So basically this was a voice that has been recorded without any mic and any professional tools. You can see here a lot of echo and noise. Now when we will enhance this voice with the help of this Adobe Podcast, you can see the changes. Now by turning this option on, you can see the changes here.
Conference room with the window open and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio.
So with the help of this enhancer, you can convert your raw audio into a professional audio with just one click. Now here by simply turning this enhanced speech option on, you can convert any normal voiceover into a professional voiceover. Now let me show you guys other features. Now here you can see many other features. Here you can bulk upload many files, and here you can also adjust the strength, and you can also enhance your voices. So basically here you can also podcast logo and cover, you can make that here. And here you can also check their mic check, and you can also see their studio. That's the other feature that this Adobe Podcast offer. Before that I showed you how it works and what feature it offers. Now I will teach you how it works. So first you have to create an account here for accessing this voice enhancer. So here you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft. Here choose any method that you find easy. Now here you can see that our account has been created, and now I will tell you how you can use this enhancer. So here you can see the V2 and V12 options. So use the V2 version because V2 version work better. Now here they have some limitations. So the file should be maximum 30 minutes long and it should not exceed the 500 MB limit. Here they also have 1 hour total daily limit. You can see all these. Now here for choosing file, you can choose any from photo, gallery or file. Here you can see all that, and you can also record here any voice. So for recording, simply click on take a video. Then you can record yourself doing the video. So here you can record yourself and you can do the voiceover. Now after recording, you can retake or you can use this video as it is. Here for enhancing the voice, you first have to buy their subscription, their premium plan. They also offer some day free trial. Mostly they offer 7-day free trial. So you can see here all about their plans. Here you can see that you have to pay $60 per month when it's paid annually. Here you can also see plans for teacher and student and for business persons and all that. You can also see these plans prices here. Now if I compare their premium and their free plan, you can see all about their premium and free plan here. Basic plan only offer here the voice enhancing. It don't offer any video enhancing. You can only enhance audio here, and you can also see the maximum file size here and maximum duration and all that.